Hey everybody, and welcome back to Thena's Natural Homestead. So today it is super hot. It's been hot last week and this week in the high 90s. Right now it's like 91 degrees with a high of like 97 and 98. So with that being said, this is the first time the chicks have been, like really in this hot weather like this. So today I'm going to give them some watermelon for the first time. Actually, I froze it. So I'm going to give it to them, and I just thought I'd take you guys on the little video while I give it to them. So hang on one second. Alright. Just got this little piece right here. Hey girls. Hey girls. Here. You guys want some watermelon? Yeah, hot. Here, come get some watermelon. Come get some watermelon. Let me cut y'all another piece. They don't even want to come out. Maybe I'll let them out. I'll open up the door and give them some. There you go. Let's see what they think of this watermelon. Look like they loving it. So you got Ducky right there is the white one. Jazz is the one with the black fuzzy head. This is Reese Cup right here. Oreo is the black and white one that's just came out. And I don't know where Koala is, but yeah, look like they're liking it. So this is their first time having some watermelon. Thought I'd give them something to kind of cool them down a little bit and something that would be good and refreshing for them. So that's Oreo. There's Koala. This is Oreo. They will be 2 months old at the end of the month. So they are getting pretty big. This is Ducky, the white one, with her cute self. Yep, so they are really, really enjoying it. That's Reese Cup. So I'm gonna get ready to go over and give the big girl some watermelon. But yep, they eating it up. I'll probably let them out to free range for a little while. And let's go over here and take some to the big girls. So here go the big girls over here. They're over here in the shade. That's Big Mama right there. This is Blanche coming up to me. And Sophia's over on the other side. Here, girls. Y'all want some watermelon? Y'all want some watermelon? Y'all want watermelon? Sophia! Sophia! You want some watermelon, girl? She's over there laying down. That's Sophia. Yep, so everybody got them some watermelon. Cool down a little bit. Anywho, that's all I got for you guys. I hope that you all consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I hope you all have a good rest of the day. Bye.